Montague's message, April 6, 2014. I wish that you could see, as I can, the progress you have made since we began the ley line project. Your efforts with the obelisks and ley lines in Rome has exceeded all expectation. It will be remembered when the history of this time is written. Please continue this exercise as the Cabal is trying to counter your actions. They never suspected that this could be done as they have felt so safe for thousands of years. You, my dear friends, found their weak spot and worked on it. For many of you, it produced remarkable experiences. For the first time in your lives you were aware of your own power. Just think what you could achieve if the 99% worked together on the meditation. You would effect a clean sweep. Now, you know you can remove all that is corrupt. So what are you waiting for? Action is called for. Go for it. You have only to look at all the information that hitherto was kept from you. Now, it is all finding its way out into the public domain. It exposes the details of those who enslaved you on a prison planet. A pathetic group which now finds itself unsure of its own future. The control has moved out of their hands and they now find themselves in the position they had prepared for you. Together, you are a mighty force for good. You will bring about all the changes necessary to create a powerful and just society. Nothing can stop you now. Continue to work on Rome, as that mighty edifice will require a lot of effort to completely expose the corruption it tries so hard to hide. It is looking more like a pantomime every day as they continue to try to hoodwink the vulnerable. Each day, yet another horror story emerges about the child trafficking that was kept under wraps all these years. Now, they themselves will know how those poor innocent children felt when they were shown no mercy. Although those within the Cabal pretend to carry on as usual, I can assure you that they are very worried about their own fate. They believe that their only salvation is to start World War III, but as you can see, this is being prevented. They are using every trick in the trade to bring it about. Killing others is their answer to everything. But now, they are no longer in control. You, my friends, have taken control, and you have decided that you want to live in a peaceful world. Think just how easy it was to bring about this mighty change. You did it, and this is just the beginning. You will go from strength to strength. Nothing is beyond you now. You are invincible. Sadly, we need to inform you that Mark has decided that he no longer wishes to work with us. Mark disagreed with the plan to work on the obelisks in Rome. His research was confined to the south of England and Ireland and he wanted to stick with that. Mark has asked that all references to him and his work be removed from the website. This has saddened Veronica greatly, as she was a great admirer of Mark's work, and enjoyed a cordial friendship with him. But we cannot confine our work to the south of England and Ireland when the whole world is suffering. Mark, both sides of life thank you for your contribution. We wish you well and we are sad at your departure so soon from the project. See yourselves as the army of light. You will move around the world using only the power of your minds and the love in your hearts and souls to bring peace and hope to all who suffer. Everyone, everywhere, will benefit from the effort which you put into your meditation on the obelisks and ley lines. This is a mighty task that you are called upon to tackle. One day soon, you will look back on it and you will see just how easy it was to expose and change everything for the good of humanity. Corruption will never rear its ugly head again. Those days will be well and truly over, because you, each one of you, can raise your hand and say, I did my bit to bring about this change. Raise your consciousness and become who you are, pure spirit bringing about change on earth. Your purpose is to rescue the planet and the souls who are suffering at the hands of the evil ones. Because you were conditioned to obey the law, you never questioned what was being asked of you. Your inaction gave them permission to do whatever they pleased at your expense. You stood by and you watched the attempted destruction of humanity. You must take responsibility. Question everything, the air you breathe, the food that up until now you had accepted with all its added poisons, the medication that creates such suffering, and the water so important for the survival of the human race, which is poison, but which you must pay for, through your taxes. Please think about these issues and decide on whatever action you feel is necessary. We in Spirit have plans, and we need you to work with us on them. Communicate with each other. Work together and you will get the desired results. You are not prepared to be victims any longer. Those days are well and truly over. Veronica is working hard on your behalf. She is not just working on the Ley Line project. She is preparing other projects that need a lot of her attention. It is hard work and a lot is expected of her. However, she is determined to succeed. Though many obstacles are put in her way, one problem after another, each time she picks up the pieces and carries on. Please send her, and those who are important to the project, your love and healing, as all this is taking its toll on her. Problems are created to try to take her mind off her work. So she needs the support of her friends and family. We have come together, all nationalities, all creeds. We are working together as one, to remove all that is negative from planet Earth. You have come to realize that you are, in fact, one, and you are all working together for the same end. This is an enormous achievement and you are to be congratulated. We in Spirit are proud of you. Together, you are mighty. Always remember this and put the contrived differences behind you, and work for the survival of humanity as a whole. My dear, you have had a very busy day, and you are working with me when you should be sleeping Saturday night, because tomorrow, Sunday, your day will be very demanding. Big decisions need to be discussed. So I will be there to guide you, as always. Try to get some rest now. Feel my love which never leaves you. Always, your adoring Monty. Channeled by Veronica Keane. MontagueKeane.com